Markets at noon with me, Ankur Mishra and Mansi Dave. Let's get started with a check on the market. Mansi, it's maintaining green color since morning.
Yeah, and who would say it's a Nifty monthly expiry session? I mean, volatility is ought to be seen, but at present, if we say no complaints from the benchmarks at least, but the broader markets are showing some signs of volatility and the gains are frizzling out. But taking a look at Nifty, about 25,300 mark and holding it with absolute strength. At present, if you see 25,348 to be precise on Nifty, as well as talking about Bank Nifty, banks and financials, as well as Sensex, 83,000 and above on Sensex is clearly a positive sign. All optimistic, 162 points gain, 56,781 at Bank Nifty. But mid cap, if you see the index, it is showing signs of some volatility, and within the start up till here, if you see, it has seen some volatility, and the small cap is trading in red at present. But of course, the signs are positive, the undertone is positive. Talking sectors and stocks, considering the major contributors at this juncture, we see HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Bharti Airtel, Reliance and Axis Bank. These are the counters which are showing positivity in trade and contributing at large. If you see banks and financials, telecom players and majors like Reliance are doing the talks in the market at present. And on the flip side, if you talk about the draggers, the laggards, SBI, Sun Pharma, M&M, Kotak Bank, TCS. So clearly the defensives, the pharma is not doing the play today. If we see a few of the healthcare stocks in the mid-cap are really doing good, but other than that, the pharma sector has taken a back seat. Talking about the sector-specific action, if we see at present, financial services, energy, metal, banks and financials on the whole, FMCG and auto are the few sectors which are contributing in the market. And again, on the flip side, IT, PSU Bank, some players of PSU Bank, Pharma and Realty as well as media have taken a back seat. But all in all, a very positive, optimistic start to the market, and we are maintaining the gains, Ankur.
Yes, maintaining gains is the key word if I can pick since morning, because it is not looking like a expiry date till now at least. And to decode the market further, I have with me Mr. Rahul Sharma, who is Director and Head Technical at Derivatives Research, JM Financial Services. Mr. Rahul, welcome to ET Now. First question to you. Markets have been maintaining a kind of momentum since morning. What do you expect on the expiry day? Will we end in green?
Yeah, very good afternoon, Ankur. So it seems like Nifty has broken out from the last 5 weeks of consolidation that we have been. 25,222 was the previous top. We managed to close above that yesterday, and today we are seeing a follow-up round of buying that is happening, especially in banking and financial names, which have been the leaders in the market since this up move began a few months back. Now, what is also very strong is Reliance, which is sort of also broken out from the range and could very well be heading for another 5 to 6% gain in a quick span of time. So net Nifty seems like it is heading towards the 25,800 mark. This is a breakout that has happened after many weeks. So we expect the move to be quite decent as well. So the view is to remain positive as far as Bank Nifty is concerned. We expect this index to also head higher. 58,500 is where we are eyeing the targets on an immediate basis. And 60,000 is something that we may expect towards the end of July, possibly 1 month from now. So both Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty also on the back of Bajaj Twins seems like they should do well from here. So we maintain a positive outlook on the index after the recent breakout that has happened.
That's right, positive outlook. So here comes conviction from Rahul Sharma. Rahul, good afternoon, Mansi this side, and it's quite an interesting time for the market because I mean, who will say there are so many geopolitical concerns, global tensions, but the market, Indian markets are showing its signs of positivity. Nifty, the levels we did see today and in fact yesterday, 25,200 and above. Last I think we did see these levels in October 2024. Considering all of these, if we have a look at the indices and then take it from there to the sectors as well as the stock specific recommendation, what are the stocks on your radar?
Yes, Mansi. So it's quite an easy market given the kind of momentum that finally we are catching up with. So the first stock on the radar on the long side is obviously Reliance Industries. The stock can head towards the target of 1550 on the upside, can be bought with the stop loss placed at around 1475. Apart from that, another stock that looks good from the metals pack is Hindalco. The stock has broken out from again a multi-month consolidation happening since March, and now we feel that the probability is high for the stock to head towards 725, 730 on the upside. So Hindalco is another stock that can be bought at these levels. Stop loss placed at 645, and again a 5 to 6% upside can be had over here. So Reliance and Hindalco are our top two picks which can be bought in this market.
Rahul, you mentioned about the levels of Nifty. I want to draw your attention towards Bank Nifty as well. Which are the levels you are watching on your technical check?
Yes, so banks have been like Bank Nifty has been leading the market, in fact, hitting a new all-time high even before Nifty did. So this time also we don't expect it to be any different, and Bank Nifty could very well be heading towards the 58,500 mark. 58,500 is where we are targeting as the first target for Bank Nifty, above which even 60,000 is possible in the next few weeks time frame. So for short-term traders, it's best to be long in Bank Nifty at this point in time, and a quick 1500 point rally can be expected in the short term.
So that's the view on indices, both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, and talking stocks, Hindalco as well as Reliance. The majors are on the radar when we talk about the stock specific recommendations coming in from Rahul Sharma. Rahul, thank you so much for joining with us and
thank you so much. Thank you, Ankur. Thank you.
Yeah, giving your views on the markets as well as the stocks.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.